Welcome to an exciting adventure into the world of cinematography, tailored specifically for beginners like you. Ever wondered how filmmakers craft those mesmerizing scenes that transport you into another world? Well, get ready to uncover the secrets behind the magic of camera angles. From the basics of eye level to the thrill of aerial shots, we're here to demystify it all. Whether you're picking up a camera for the first time or simply eager to learn more, this journey is for you. So grab your notepad, popcorn optional, and let's dive headfirst into the captivating world of cinematography. Shot List Series Part 1: Camera Angles. Before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to Breadfruit Studios to catch our future episodes on the Shot List series. Having done that, let's take a shot. First things first, let's talk about what camera angles are and why they matter. Camera angles refer to the perspective from which a scene is shot. They are crucial in visual storytelling as they can convey emotions, emphasize certain aspects of a scene, and influence the viewer's perception. Common camera angles include eye level shot, low angle shot, high angle shot, hip level shot, knee level shot, ground level shot, shoulder level shot, Dutch angle shot, bird's eye view, aerial shot. And now let's dive in. Eye level shot. In filmmaking, an eye level shot captures the scene from the height of a character's eyes. It's a natural and relatable perspective, putting viewers right in the midst of the action. This angle is often used for dialogue scenes or to establish a strong connection between the audience and the characters on screen. It's like seeing the world through the character's eyes, adding depth and realism to the storytelling.
What's your name?
Django.
Then you're exactly the one I'm looking for.
Oh, easy there. Listen to what the man got to say first.
Low angle shot.
So he can tell me the same stories he been telling you?
A low angle shot isn't just about perspective, it's about power. This shot is captured from a position below the subject, looking up towards them. It's commonly used to make characters appear larger than life, dominant, or authoritative. Think of it as the camera bowing down to the subject, amplifying their presence and significance within the scene. It adds drama, intensity, and a sense of grandeur to the visual narrative.
For Pete's sake!
Hey! Get away from that ledge, you damn fool kids!
High-angle shot. In filmmaking, a high-angle shot offers a bird's-eye view of the scene, captured from above the subject looking down. This angle can evoke feelings of vulnerability, weakness, or insignificance in the subject, as they appear smaller and less powerful compared to their surroundings. It's often used to emphasize a character's struggle, isolation, or helplessness within the narrative.
You know what? What? I'd rather be dead than hear this motherfucker keep talking.
Hip-level shot. A hip-level shot captures the scene from the height of a character's hips, providing a unique and dynamic perspective. This angle is often used to convey a sense of intimacy or proximity to the subject, as it places the camera at a similar level to the characters' bodies. It can add a sense of realism and immediacy to the scene, allowing viewers to feel like they're right there alongside the characters, experiencing the action firsthand. Whether it's a tense confrontation or a heartfelt moment, a hip-level shot can bring depth and authenticity to the storytelling.
On Smitty Bacall gang.
Knee-level shot. In cinematography, a knee-level shot frames the scene from the perspective of someone's knees. This unique angle adds depth and interest to the composition by altering the viewer's perception of space. It's often used to highlight details in the foreground while providing context for the surroundings. A knee-level shot can create a sense of intimacy and immersion, allowing the audience to feel more connected to the characters and their environment. Whether it's capturing a character's point of view or emphasizing their physical presence, this angle adds visual variety and storytelling richness to the film. Ground level shot. In cinematography, a ground level shot is taken from the perspective of the ground, offering a unique and often unconventional view of the scene. This camera angle is used a lot to feature a character walking without revealing their face. It provides a sense of intimacy and immediacy, as if the viewer is right there amidst the action. Ground level shots can add drama and tension, especially in scenes where characters are interacting with their environment or facing challenges. They also allow filmmakers to showcase interesting textures, patterns, and details that might go unnoticed from higher angles. By altering the viewer's perspective, ground-level shots bring a fresh and immersive dimension to the storytelling, engaging the audience in a more visceral way. To achieve this angle, the camera's height must be on ground level with your subject. Shoulder level shot. Before we dive into shoulder level shot, please like this video and subscribe to Breadfruit Studios for more beginner-friendly tips and tutorials as this one. If you have done that, please comment, "I have liked and subscribed." Good. Thank you. Now let's continue. In cinematography, a shoulder level shot is framed from the height of a character's shoulders, offering a perspective that's both personal and engaging. This angle creates a sense of closeness and connection with the subject, as if the viewer is standing right alongside them. Shoulder-level shots are commonly used in dialogue scenes, allowing the audience to see the characters eye to eye and emphasizing their emotional expressions and body language. It's a versatile angle that can evoke intimacy, empathy, and relatability, making the viewer feel like they're an active participant in the conversation.
Your quarrel is with me.
Whether it's capturing a tender moment between friends or a tense exchange between adversaries, a shoulder-level shot adds depth and authenticity to the storytelling. Dutch angle shot. In cinematography, a Dutch angle shot, also known as a canted angle or oblique angle, tilts the camera to create a sense of unease, tension, or disorientation. This technique is achieved by tilting the camera to one side, resulting in a skewed horizon line. Dutch angle shots are often used to convey psychological distress, instability, or chaos within a scene. They can add visual interest and intensity, drawing the viewer's attention to key moments or emphasizing the emotional state of the characters. Whether it's capturing a character's inner turmoil or signaling a shift in the narrative, Dutch angle shots are a powerful tool for creating dynamic and impactful visuals in filmmaking. Bird's eye view. In cinematography, a bird's eye view shot, also known as an overhead shot, provides a perspective from above the scene, as if the camera is looking down like a bird flying overhead. This angle offers a comprehensive view of the surroundings, allowing the audience to see the layout and spatial relationships between objects and characters. Bird's eye view shots are often used to establish context, reveal patterns, or emphasize the scale of the environment. They can add a sense of grandeur, awe, or detachment depending on the context of the scene. Whether it's capturing the vastness of a landscape or showcasing the intricate details of a complex setting, bird's eye view shots provide a unique and immersive perspective in filmmaking. Aerial shot. An aerial shot, also known as a helicopter shot, is captured from a high vantage point, typically using a helicopter or drone. This perspective offers a sweeping view of the landscape, providing a sense of scale and grandeur. Aerial shots are commonly used to establish locations, showcase expansive scenery, or create a dramatic opening sequence. They can add visual spectacle and cinematic flair to a film, immersing the audience in the beauty and majesty of the surroundings. Whether it's capturing breathtaking vistas or dynamic chase sequences, aerial shots elevate the storytelling by offering a perspective that's both awe-inspiring and exhilarating. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to camera angles. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the lens of cinematography and gained valuable insights into the art of visual storytelling. Remember, mastering camera angles takes practice, so don't be afraid to experiment and unleash your creativity. Whether you're capturing a heartfelt moment or an epic adventure, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Breadfruit Studios for more beginner-friendly tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep shooting, keep learning, and keep creating.